everyone, and welcome to Bum Bee. Today we have for you the Dollar Tree $5 DIY challenge for spring of 2019. And I'm so happy to have Veronica from Mrs Vee be my co-host for the spring of 2019. So go ahead and check out Mrs Vee's channel, which will be linked in the description box below. And also, guys, check out the playlist. There's a lot of other YouTube ladies participating in this challenge. That way you can get ideas of what you can pick up at any Dollar Tree and get a spring home decor for less than $5. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the items that you will need for my $5 DIY Dollar Tree challenge. You will need 2 of these Decor fence, a willow wreath. I will be using this flowers in yellow, and I will be using this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You will also need pipe cleaners, any color you like. Now the tools that I'll be using is clippers, scissors, glue gun, glue sticks, and white acrylic paint. I want to paint my fencing. I'm going to sponge it with some makeup sponge. I want to paint my fence in a white creamy color. Okay? So let's get started. So the first thing that I will be doing is I'm going to cut all these stems off my fencing. Actually, I'm going to use the clippers here to kind of help me. So now I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of the white paint. I don't really want it to be perfect, but I don't want this real dark gray. I want it to be a little lighter. Turning out pretty nice, but I actually want to give it another coat because I want it to be more whitish. Okay, so my fences are painted and they are drying. I went ahead and gave it that second coat that I wanted. Next, we're going to work on the wreath. And I am going to add a little bit of burlap to the wreath. Not much, just like so, to give it that burlap look. Just going to glue the piece where I start. I want to make a bow right about here. See, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my bow. So far, this is what it looks like. Okay, now I want to add these yellow flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these stems. Okay, now that my wreath is ready and I have my little bow, I want to insert the yellow flowers all the way around my wreath, and I'm gonna remove these greenery from the stems. Okay, I can use these for another project. See? Okay, so I think I just want to add these yellow stems, and I don't want to, I'll just glue it down to the ribbon, but not to the actual wreath in case I want to reuse the wreath. Tucking in where the burlap area is, and I'm just going to work myself up. Hey guys, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I want to glue the fences together. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue these fences together with my glue gun. I'm going to glue and I'm going to hold and I'm going to squeeze. Okay, now that my fence is glued, I want to go ahead and add the wreath here to the middle of the fencing, and I'm going to use pipe cleaners to tie it to the fence. Through the back here, and I'm just going to make sure it's attached, and I'm going to do the same over here. I'm just going to go through the wreath, through the fencing. I'm going to tuck it right behind here, the bow. And I'm just going to twist, guys. You know what? It's not as tight as I wanted it. Okay, make sure it's tight, and then twist. Okay, so we have both of these twisted in. Okay, now I'm going to do over here the top as well. And I'm just going to tuck it in here. I'm going to come up through the burlap so you can't see the pipe cleaner. Covered with our burlap bow. Okay, let's go hang this up on the wall. Here it is, guys. It's so cute. So here you have it, guys. I think it turned out pretty cute, real nice and simple. It looks like a wrought iron piece instead of a plastic fence from the Dollar Tree. And I think this would also look really cute with maybe lots of florals all the way around. But remember, I did have to stay within the $5 budget. So yeah, guys, I'm happy with the result. I think for $5, I think it turned out really, really nice. So there you have it. Total of $5 to make this spring wall decor. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Thank you to all the participants who participated in this challenge. Thanks, Veronica, Mrs. Vee, for being my co-host. Dollar Tree $5 DIY challenge. Guys, to visit Mrs Vee Channel, you can just click right over here and it'll take you to her channel. Please don't forget to check the playlist link below so you can see what other YouTubers have come up with Dollar Tree $5 DIY spring of 2019. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.